Judgment Day for two RC trucks from Rolalo, the Terminator and the Rogue One. We're going to put these two bad boys through their paces and see which one comes out on top. Spoiler alert, there is a clear winner to this competition. First up, we have the Terminator. It's got a cool, rugged look with chunky tires and a really solid technical build, but does it live up to its name? Then we have the Rogue One, which is brand new. It has a sleek design, powerful motor, advanced suspension. This one looks like it really means business. We'll be testing these trucks on speed, durability, overall performance, and trust me, we're not going easy on any of them. Hasta la vista, baby, to any truck that can handle the heat. I'm not going to break down specs in this video. I am going to abuse the two in similar conditions. You can see how the two run, and I'm going to let you know what my experience was and what I think your purchasing decision should be, because there is a definite answer here.
Wow, you saw the fun, you saw the shootout, right? We saw both of these. We saw the new Rogue One and we saw the Terminator. Now, comparison between the two, there isn't a comparison. And the reason I chose this spot to do the review is this cool mountain here. So here, this sums it up in one explanation. The Terminator went right up and over that thing. Phew, gone. The Rogue One, not once did I even get it like halfway up. That really sums up the difference between the two. So now if you are considering which do I buy, do I get a Terminator or a Rogue One, there's no decision to be made. You get yourself a Terminator. Now I know the Rogue One is a little less expensive, but it is not cheap, right? So if you can afford the Rogue One, save your pennies for an extra week. Get yourself the Terminator. It is so much better. And I have to tell you, this is one of my favorite vehicles of all time. So this is a little unfair to compare it to the Rogue One, which obviously is a smaller format, less expensive, less well suited. But the difference between the two is absolutely ridiculous. It is unbelievable how much better the Rolalo Terminator is than the Rolalo Rogue One. Not that the Rogue One isn't a competent 1/14th scale, but it is no comparison to they call it 1/10 scale. It's really probably 1/12 scale. Rolalo seems to have the same issue as like Trump and Arnold Palmer. They like to talk up the size, but the size just isn't that big. That's the summary of my review comparing these two. There is no comparing. If you're at all able to get yourself a Terminator, get the Terminator. If you can only get the Rogue, there's nothing wrong with the Rogue One, but get the Terminator. Hope this has been helpful. See you next time.
So there you have it, folks. The absolute answer is the Terminator is the winner of this ultimate RC truck showdown. And I think it's really fair for me to say I have absolutely, in 3 days of using the Rogue One, busted it. It is useless now. I've had two problems. Number one, the bodywork. Okay, after a couple more days of use, we have two repeating problems. Number one, these straps keep coming out. It's nice that these straps are here, but the retainers pop out all the time. And then number two, this bodywork, while being heavier duty, is like more brittle. So that absolutely blew out. So it's only held on by the front. So sometimes heavier is not always better. Here, put the gas tank back on. Thank you. We got our gas tank back. And then more seriously, I believe the center differential has crapped out on it. I'm not exactly sure. I didn't pull it apart yet. I can't believe I've only had this for 3 days and it's toast. Anyway,